Hello, welcome to Refined Accent with Stephanie. I have a very important letter to teach today. I said this letter is very important because it makes 7 different sounds. We'll take them one after the other. The first sound of the letter A we'll talk about today is ah, ah, ah. The sound is a short sound. It's a very short and very fast sound and is regarded as the king of all sounds. Ah. We have the sound in words like above, among, better. Okay? When you see the schwa in letter A words, do not pronounce them as ah, is ah, ah. Another sound of the letter A we'll talk about today is all. All, all. Watch my lips, they're rounded, and my tongue inside. All, all. Letter A makes O sound in words like call, hall, walk, wall. When you see letter A in these words, then go saying call, say call. Don't say hall, say hall. Don't say walk, you say walk. Okay? So you say, I walk to school. Okay? Another sound of the letter A is air, air, air. The sound is a diphthong, and a diphthong is basically the combination of two vowel sounds in one syllable. And take note, you have to glide from one to the other. Air, air. We have the sound in words like aeroplane, stairs, cares, tears. Then go saying aeroplane, say aeroplane. Then go saying parents, say parents. The letter A in these words makes a sound. Another sound of the letter A is also the diphthong is a, a, a. You glide from e to e, 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 a, a. We have the sound in words like make, rake, way, say, bake, today, date. So you wouldn't want to go saying, what is today's date? You glide, what is today's date? Letter A in these words makes a sound. Another sound of the letter A is ah. Ah, my tongue went inside. Ah, have you been to a dentist and you're asked to open your mouth? You go, ah, ah. We have the sound in words like, can you guess? Car, father, far. So in a sentence you say, my father has a car. You wouldn't want to say, my father has a car. No, you say, my father has a car. Another sound of the letter A is O. 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 The sound is actually saying just one word. W-H-A-T. What? Letter A makes O sound in what. Okay? Please. When you see letter A in words, don't go pronouncing them the same way. We've talked about air. We've talked about We've talked about or. We've talked about air. We've talked about a. We've talked about R. And we've talked about O. These are the sounds of the letter A. And please don't forget, letter A is silent in some words.